Hi, welcome back to another video. If you are visiting here for the first time, hi there, I post easy DIY nail art ideas twice every week. So if you love nail art, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Now let's quickly get into today's nail art tutorial. Start by applying a good quality base coat to protect your nails. Once it dries off completely, use the brush of your red nail polish to make a curvy stroke like so. Now use the pink nail polish brush to make a similar curvy stroke right above the red one. Now right above the pink one, make another curvy stroke in a blue nail polish like so. So far, as you can see, this design is really forgiving. I am not making the exact same curves on all my nails. Now using a dotting tool or the backside of a toothpick, create some dots right above the line where the pink and the red nail polishes meet. Repeat the same step using the red nail polish to make a dotted line right where the pink and the blue meet. Now, in order to make this design pop, I am drawing smaller black dots right above the blue dots, like so. And then repeating the same using the white nail polish over the red dots. The final step, as always, is to clean your edges and apply a good quality top coat to protect your manicure and help it last for a longer period of time. I had so much fun creating this quick and easy nail art design, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please make sure to hit that like button. Here's a final look with the glossy top coat, and here's a one with a matte top coat. I'm really not able to decide which one I like the most out of the two this time. Do let me know in the comment section below which look is your favorite, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!